NASA is gearing up for an exciting moment in its lunar exploration journey as it prepares for the second private moon landing by Intuitive Machines scheduled for March 6, 2025. This mission, part of NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) initiative, aims to advance lunar science and technology while setting the foundation for a sustainable human presence on the moon. The IM-2 mission will feature Intuitive Machines' Nova C lunar lander Athena, which is set to touch down in the Mons Mouton region near the Moon's south pole. The landing is targeted for 12:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, with live coverage beginning at 11:30 a.m. on NASA+. This event marks a significant milestone, as it not only demonstrates the capabilities of private sector partnerships in space exploration but also reinforces NASA's commitment to leveraging commercial technology for scientific advancement. At the heart of the IM-2 mission are various NASA technology demonstrations and science investigations. Among the payloads is a Laser Retroreflector Array designed to provide a permanent reference point for future spacecraft, enhancing navigation on the lunar surface. The mission will also test the feasibility of extracting resources from lunar soil, which could potentially be used to produce fuel or breathable oxygen for future missions. Additionally, a robust cellular network will be demonstrated to ensure reliable communication for astronauts, while a propulsive drone will showcase capabilities for navigating the challenging lunar terrain. Following the landing, NASA officials, including Nikki Fox, Associate Administrator of the Science Mission Directorate, and Steve Altemus, CEO of Intuitive Machines, will hold a news conference at NASA's Johnson Space Center. This briefing will delve into the mission's outcomes and the future opportunities it creates for lunar exploration and science. NASA's collaboration with Intuitive Machines is part of a broader strategy to foster innovation through partnerships with multiple American companies. The CLPS initiative has a cumulative contract value of $2.6 billion, enabling NASA to engage with commercial entities for end-to-end lunar delivery services, including payload integration, launch, and landing. The contract awarded to Intuitive Machines for the IM-2 mission amounts to approximately $62.5 million. As NASA continues to evolve its Artemis campaign, the IM-2 mission stands as a testament to the agency's forward-thinking approach to space exploration. By conducting science experiments and demonstrating new technologies, NASA is paving the way for its Artemis generation astronaut missions, which aim to establish a sustained human presence on the Moon and eventually enable crewed missions to Mars. The upcoming landing promises to be a landmark event with the potential to reshape humanity's understanding of the Moon and its resources. As anticipation builds, the space community and the public alike are invited to follow the mission's progress through various platforms using the hashtag Artemis to join the conversation. In conclusion, the IM-2 mission exemplifies the exciting era of commercial spaceflight and international collaboration, setting the stage for unprecedented scientific discoveries and technological advancements in our quest to explore the Moon and beyond. With each mission, NASA is not only enhancing its capabilities but also inspiring the next generation of explorers to reach for the stars, to eye in the ever-evolving landscape of space exploration. The contributions of individuals and educational programs play an equally crucial role in shaping the future of humanity's ventures beyond Earth. Recently, two notable stories have emerged from the world of NASA and its collaborations, highlighting the dedication of both seasoned professionals and aspiring students in the field. Chris Wade, a visiting vehicle integration manager for SpaceX vehicles within NASA's International Space Station Transportation Integration Office, exemplifies commitment and expertise in the realm of space missions. With a career spanning 25 years at Johnson Space Center, Wade has been instrumental in ensuring that SpaceX's Dragon vehicles meet all necessary requirements to successfully execute missions to the International Space Station (ISS). His responsibilities extend to managing a team that provides real-time mission support during critical operations such as launch, docking, and splashdown. Reflecting on his role, Wade expressed pride in the continuous operation of the ISS, stating, "I enjoy telling people that we have a space station that has been in low Earth orbit with people on it for nearly 25 years. He encourages young individuals to pursue careers in the space industry, emphasizing the importance of STEM education and the value of hands-on experiences through internships. Wade's own journey to NASA began with a position at Lockheed Martin, which led him to become a civil servant in the agency. His passion for space was ignited at a young age, inspired by the Space Shuttle Challenger crew, and crystallized during his first rocket launch experience in Japan. Meanwhile, the inspiring efforts of high school students in Massachusetts are also making waves in the space community. Students from Assabet Valley Regional Technical High School recently participated in NASA's Hunch High School Students United with NASA to Create Hardware program, which allows them to create hardware for missions to the ISS. During a visit from NASA mentors, the students proudly signed a locker that will be sent to the ISS, symbolizing their significant contributions to space exploration. Senior Michael Flynn described his experience in the program as once in a lifetime, acknowledging the practical skills and confidence he gained, which will benefit him in future career endeavors. The Hunch program provides students with real-world experience in manufacturing and quality control, enabling them to produce components for deploying CubeSats from the ISS. David Somerville, an instructor at Assabet, highlighted the program's impact on students' confidence and skill development, noting when they move on from Assabet and are in job interviews, they'll have the confidence to explain their skills and experience building these parts for a large organization. This collaboration between NASA and local schools not only nurtures the next generation of engineers and scientists, but also enhances the capabilities of NASA's missions. On a broader scale, the future of the ISS itself has come under scrutiny. Recently, NASA astronauts aboard the station publicly rejected comments from Elon Musk, who suggested that the ISS had outlived its usefulness and should be decommissioned within 2 years. Astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore, currently on a long-duration mission, asserted that the station remains vital for scientific research, stating, "I would say we're actually in our prime right now." Their remarks reflect the ongoing value of the ISS as a hub for international collaboration and groundbreaking scientific discovery. As NASA prepares to continue its operations into 2030, the interplay between seasoned professionals like Chris Wade and enthusiastic students from programs such as Hunch showcases a robust commitment to advancing space exploration. The contributions from both sectors underline the importance of mentorship, education, and innovation as humanity seeks to expand its reach beyond our planet. With steadfast dedication, these individuals and initiatives are paving the way for future breakthroughs in space science and technology. As the landscape continues to evolve, it is clear that both experience and fresh perspectives will be essential in shaping the next chapter of humanity's journey into the cosmos. After an unexpected 9-month odyssey aboard the International Space Station ISS, NASA astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore are on the cusp of returning to Earth. Initially intended to spend just 8 days in space, the duo's mission was dramatically extended due to a series of complications surrounding their spacecraft, Boeing's Starliner. As they prepare for their homecoming later this month, they have shared candid reflections on the profound experiences and challenges of long-duration spaceflight. Speaking from the ISS, Williams noted that the hardest part of their extended stay has been the emotional toll on their families back on Earth. "It's been a roller coaster for them, probably a little more so than for us," she remarked. Both astronauts were part of the Starliner's inaugural crewed mission, which faced significant delays and technical issues, including the decision to return the spacecraft empty after its initial flight. Williams and Wilmore were meant to be replaced by a new crew arriving on a SpaceX capsule, but delays in this process pushed their return further into the future. The astronauts are expected to return to Earth aboard a SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft, which will also carry NASA's Nick Hague and Russian astronaut Alexander Gorbanov. This overlap is designed to ensure a seamless transition and to maximize the scientific output of the ISS during their extended stay. While Williams has expressed her deep appreciation for the unique experiences of living in space, she is also looking forward to the comforts of home, stating, "I will miss everything about my time in space. Adding to the conversation, both astronauts addressed recent public comments from Elon Musk regarding the future of the ISS. Musk suggested that the station has served its purpose and should be deorbited within 2 years, a sentiment that Williams and Wilmore strongly rejected. "I would say we're actually in our prime right now," Williams asserted, emphasizing the ongoing scientific research and international collaboration facilitated by the ISS. Wilmore, who has flown multiple missions, echoed these sentiments, noting that the current capabilities of the ISS are vital for future space exploration and research. "We should make the most of this space station for our taxpayers and for all of our international partners," he added, highlighting the importance of extending the ISS's operational life until at least 2030. Despite the challenges they've faced, both astronauts remained optimistic and committed to their mission. Williams and Wilmore have trained for long-duration missions, allowing them to adapt seamlessly to the unexpected length of their stay. Acknowledging the complexities of their situation, Wilmore stated, "Politics has not played into this at all," referring to the decisions made regarding their extended mission. As they look ahead to their return, the astronauts' reflections serve as a reminder of the personal sacrifices made by those who venture into space. The upcoming Crew 9 mission, scheduled to launch on March 12, will herald the long-awaited return of Wilmore and Williams. As they prepare for this transition, their experiences highlight the resilience of astronauts and the ongoing importance of the ISS as a platform for scientific advancement and international cooperation. In the coming weeks, the world will watch closely as these seasoned space travelers return home, bringing with them stories and insights from their extraordinary journey in the cosmos. Their experiences are not just a testament to human ingenuity but also a glimpse into the future of space exploration, where the boundaries of science and human endurance continue to be tested. NASA's recent selection of Firefly Aerospace for the launch of its investigation of convective updrafts INCUS mission marks a significant step in advancing our understanding of tropical storm formation. Scheduled to lift off from NASA's Wallops Flight Facility in Virginia, this mission aims to delve into the dynamics of convective storms, events that play a crucial role in shaping global weather patterns. The INCUS mission is particularly innovative, utilizing a trio of small satellites that will work in concert to investigate how air and water are transported vertically by these storms. Convective storms, which arise from rapidly rising water vapor in air, can lead to severe weather conditions including heavy rain, hail, and lightning. Understanding the mechanisms behind their formation is vital for improving weather prediction models and mitigating the impacts of extreme weather events. Under the Venture-class acquisition of dedicated and rideshare VADR contract, NASA has allocated a portion of its $300 million budget to facilitate collaborations with private companies, including Firefly Aerospace. The VADR initiative allows NASA to engage in fixed-price indefinite delivery contracts over a 5-year period, fostering a more agile approach to launching missions. Firefly's Alpha rocket, designed to transport up to 1 metric ton of payload, has been tailored for such dedicated missions, ensuring precise satellite placement in orbit. Susan Van Den Heaver, the principal investigator for INCUS from Colorado State University, expressed enthusiasm about the mission's potential. "By employing a novel time-differencing approach, we can estimate the vertical transport of convective mass with unprecedented accuracy," she noted. Each satellite will be equipped with sophisticated high-frequency precipitation radars to monitor changes in convective cloud intensity and depth, while one satellite will also feature a microwave radiometer to provide comprehensive weather data. Supporting the INCUS mission are several NASA facilities, including the Langley Research Center and the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, as well as contributions from Blue Canyon Technologies and Tendag for key satellite components. This collaboration exemplifies NASA's commitment to leveraging expertise across various centers to enhance scientific research. As the INCUS mission gears up for its anticipated launch in 2026, the implications of its findings could extend far beyond academic interest. By improving our understanding of convective storms, NASA aims to enhance predictive capabilities that could save lives and reduce economic losses associated with severe weather. The successful execution of this mission will not only contribute to meteorological science but also pave the way for future explorations in weather technology. With continued advancements and collaborations between NASA and private sector innovators like Firefly Aerospace, the future of weather forecasting and climate science holds great promise. In a remarkable turn of events, NASA's Ingenuity helicopter has uncovered a poignant reminder of humanity's growing presence on Mars, debris from its own journey scattered across the Martian landscape. Captured during a recent reconnaissance flight over the Jezero crater, the images reveal remnants of the skycrane and parachute system that facilitated the successful landing of both Ingenuity and the Perseverance rover in 2021. This unexpected discovery not only reflects the milestones achieved in space exploration but also raises crucial questions about the environmental implications of our ventures beyond Earth. Originally intended for just 5 flights, Ingenuity has far surpassed expectations, completing 72 successful missions to date. Yet this latest find has brought to light a disconcerting reality. As humanity ventures deeper into space, we risk leaving behind a trail of technological artifacts. Ian Clark, a parachute engineer involved in the Perseverance mission, characterized the site of the wreckage as possessing a sci-fi element while also acknowledging its engineering significance. The wreckage provides insight into how landing systems perform under real Martian conditions, knowledge that could improve future missions, he stated. The sight of human-made debris on Mars poses uncomfortable questions about the potential for littering other planets. With Earth already grappling with space debris in low Earth orbit, the stakes are high for Mars, a world previously viewed as pristine and untouched. As space agencies ramp up their exploratory missions, many aimed at eventually establishing human presence on the Red Planet, the concern arises that Mars could become a technological graveyard cluttered with remnants of previous explorations. Looking ahead, the prospect of human missions to Mars becomes increasingly tangible. NASA's current strategy, which builds upon its Artemis program aimed at lunar exploration, is designed to prepare for future human landings on Mars. However, these ambitious plans require careful consideration of the environmental impact. The materials typically used in spacecraft do not degrade in the same manner as organic materials on Earth, raising the risk of long-term contamination of Martian landscapes. As experts point out, the urgency of implementing sustainable practices in space exploration cannot be overstated. The debris captured by Ingenuity serves as both a historical marker and a cautionary tale. It emphasizes the necessity for engineers and mission planners to develop strategies that minimize waste and aim for the recovery and recycling of materials on planetary surfaces. International cooperation among space agencies may be essential in creating policies that safeguard the environments we aim to explore. While humanity's quest to explore Mars is a testament to our ingenuity, it is also fraught with ethical dilemmas. As we contemplate sending astronauts to the Red Planet, a journey that could take months, considerations surrounding the sustainability of our exploration efforts are paramount. The experience gained from missions like Ingenuity's can inform future endeavors, ensuring that we do not repeat the errors of our past. In conclusion, as NASA and other space agencies gear up for an era of intensified exploration of Mars, the lessons learned from Ingenuity's unexpected discovery will shape the narrative of our extraterrestrial ambitions. If we are to leave a legacy of exploration that future generations can cherish, we must be vigilant in our efforts to balance progress with preservation. The challenge ahead is not simply to reach Mars, but to do so in a way that respects and protects the environments we encounter, ensuring that we are not just leaving footprints in the dust but also paving a sustainable path for those who will follow. In a significant advancement for lunar exploration, NASA is set to provide coverage for Intuitive Machines' second private moon landing, slated for March 6, 2025. This mission, known as IM-2, marks a continuing partnership between NASA and commercial entities under the agency's Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) initiative. With the aim of establishing a sustainable human presence on the Moon as part of the Artemis program, the IM-2 mission will deliver crucial technology demonstrations and scientific investigations. Scheduled to land in the Mons Mouton region, an area near the Moon's south pole, the Nova C lunar lander named Athena is expected to touch down at approximately 12:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Leading up to this momentous event, NASA will begin live coverage on its NASA Plus platform at 11:30 a.m., including a pre-landing blog update at 11 a.m. This media event underscores the agency's commitment to transparency and public engagement in the exploration of our closest celestial neighbor. After the landing, a news conference at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston will feature key figures from both NASA and Intuitive Machines, including Nikki Fox, Associate Administrator for NASA's Science Mission Directorate, and Steve Altemus, CEO of Intuitive Machines. This forum will discuss the mission's implications for future lunar operations, including potential resource extraction from lunar soil, an essential step for sustained exploration efforts. The IM-2 mission follows a successful launch on February 26 aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Notably, the lander is equipped with technology that will assess lunar soil for resources that could be converted into fuel or breathable oxygen for future missions. Additionally, the lander will deploy a passive laser retroreflector array to enhance navigation for future lunar missions and a cellular network to facilitate astronaut communications. This mission is part of a broader strategy by NASA to collaborate with multiple U.S. companies, fostering a competitive environment for lunar delivery services. With a cumulative contract value of $2.6 billion through 2028, NASA's CLPS initiative aims to leverage private sector innovation to support its exploration goals. In tandem with the IM-2 mission, NASA recently celebrated another milestone in lunar navigation. The Lunar GNSS Receiver Experiment (LUGRE) successfully acquired and tracked Earth-based navigation signals on the Moon's surface, a first in space history. This technology, developed in collaboration with the Italian Space Agency, could revolutionize navigation for future lunar and Martian missions by enabling spacecraft to determine their position autonomously. Kevin Coggins, Deputy Associate Administrator for NASA's Space Communications and Navigation Program, stated, "This is a very exciting discovery for lunar navigation, and we hope to leverage this capability for future missions." The LUGRE payload, which was delivered by Firefly Aerospace's Blue Ghost lander, marks a significant step forward in the quest for advanced navigation systems in cislunar space. As NASA continues to push the boundaries of space exploration through innovative partnerships and technological advancements, the upcoming IM-2 landing represents not just another milestone for lunar exploration but also a pivotal moment in the agency's broader vision of establishing a human presence on the Moon and beyond. With each successful mission, NASA is laying the groundwork for future crewed missions to Mars, ultimately transforming our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As the space community eagerly anticipates the IM-2 landing, it becomes increasingly clear that these advancements are only the beginning. The collaboration between public and private sectors in space exploration is set to pave the way for a new era of discovery and innovation, with future missions promising to further unlock the mysteries of the Moon and beyond.